Okay, I thought I'd put this on YouTube. So my Maytag 2000 series came up with an error. F1E2. And according to this, it's motor control unit error. I took the motor control unit out, looked at it, looked fine. It ended up being the water pump. Anyways, they have instructions here for a diagnostic test. I'll go over that real quick. While it's off, you tie any 3 keys 3 times. And use this mode to reset the errors. You hold this down for 5 seconds. To start the test diagnostic thing where it goes through all the basic things it does, you just press this a bunch of times. And then you can watch it and see what fails. So yeah, that was my problem, the water pump for the F1E2. And what seems to have happened was, turn that, this comes out. Hold on. Just gotta pull this thing out. There it goes. Pull this out. That sits in there. And when we pulled it out, it was full of nasty water. So anyways, what has failed on this is this gasket here. The gasket between the inside here and out here. It's failed, let water in, and just got really nasty. I don't know what the deal was. Maybe it wouldn't turn very well. But I replaced it, and I haven't had issues since.